Now that we have the main structure assembled, the next step is to install the lighting system, or the lights. So to do that, we're just going to unscrew each one of these caps to start. Now you'll notice on these, sometimes this little grommet does get stuck on the inside here. So you got to make sure that you get those out and just reinsert them into the groove. But we'll go ahead and take all of these off. Next, we're going to install our Sunblaster T5 fluorescent bulbs. So for this is just a little detail, but there is a logo on here. I try to keep them at the top and facing out, just so I know that my prongs are actually aligned with the actual bulb holder. So we're going to insert the end caps on either end. Then we're going to line up the bottom, snap the bulb in place, and do the same with the top. And then we're going to screw the end caps back on. So this is what keeps water out of the bulb, so it's very important to install these back on properly. We want to have it screwed all the way up to make sure that there's no gap in between, and that's what creates the seal around the bulb as well. Do the same on the bottom. And then we'll go and repeat the process for all four. Okay, bulbs are installed.